Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Jeep Patriot Sport. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 1-speed CVT transmission. This guy's in blue, looks great. You got that Jeep badging up front there with your lights there. They are very bright, and you got your tow hooks right there with your fog lights. And coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look awesome. You do have your mirrors hanging out right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have your Jeep badging there, as well as the 4x4. You do have some tow hooks back here as well, and we can just open this guy up right here, like that. Open it up. Looks awesome back here. You can fold those seats forward if you did need. As well, you can fold this guy up, and you get your spare tire just underneath there. You do also have some additional storage on the side. Got our key here. It is unlocked, so let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have your handle, and you do also have the manual windows. Another handle here and some storage down here. Looks awesome in here. The leather seats are very comfortable. You do also have the controls over your lights right here, so you do have your control over your fog lights as well as your high beams and turning signals. Then you also have your daytime running lights and low beams, and then you also have all sorts of different guys there. Let's start her up here, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right over here, it does tell us that we have 19,000 kilometers. Not too bad at all, and which gear we're in. We can switch that around to our trip A and B, as well as the temperature outside. Now that is controlled from right here with your horn in the center and cruise control options right there. We also have our windshield wiper control right there. And then over here we do have our radio. It looks awesome. You do have your seek options up here with your scan, your voice recognition. You have your call out for the Bluetooth, your time, info, forward and rewind. You have the eject as well as the load button there. Then you have your volume up and down with the power, AM, FM, and your disc. Presets down here, your list, music type and setup, as well as your audio right there. Then over here we do have our climate control. So you have the power, the circulation. You also have your temperature control right here with your AC, and then you have your mode right there. Traction control down here with your hazard lights, some storage right here. Gear shift is here. Then you also have your cup holders with your control over your four-wheel and your parking brake. Then you have your armrest, doubles as a storage container, top layer and bottom layer there. Then you got your top and bottom layer for your glove box as well as some lights just up there. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you got your handle. You have your handle here, as well as you have the control over the windows and some storage down there. Looks awesome in here as well. It is very spacious. Seats 3 people, and it is leather. Very comfortable. You can fold those seats forward right here, just like that. Then you do have even more room in the back. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2017 Jeep Patriot Sport. If you want to come and take a close look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.